Hello everyone, this is my first video tutorial and today I'm going to talk about Ruby on Rails and specifically about the gem bootstrap and simple form, so how to use it. So let's create a new app, we can call new app store, and I'm going to use the scaffold command to create the controller, the view and then the model because it's the fastest way to create that, and it's not the main focus of this tutorial. If you need, just comment and ask something about that. Let's go inside our application and generate the scaffold for example, a product. We want a name, the string, description, text, I want to know price, the color, string, and the quantity, like an integer. So we are going to create with the scaffold the model product with the column name, description, price, color, and quantity, and the controller for the products, and the view, the CRUD view. So we'll have index, edit, show, new, and the partial form. So let's migrate the DB. Just remember, all the time you're creating or doing something with the DB, you have to migrate the database. Otherwise, we'll go through a problem with you run the server. And after that, we can just open in our editor. I'm using Atom. And the first thing to do probably is to set the routes. In the routes, we can set the route. The routes. So root and yeah, index is the action from product controller. So the root will be product index. We are going to show the index view. So what we can do is just run the server and check it in the localhost 3000. The server is not yet running. Okay, it's running. Let's check it if everything is working. It's rendering the index view, completed 200, answer is perfect. So now we can create a new product. We can do a jeans, price 23, color red, quantity 2, just create the product. So as you can see, we have a product in a not nice form. We can do it better, and we can use the gem bootstrap for SAS, and just copy and paste this gem in your gem file. As you can see, the SAS is already in Rails 5 gem file, so we have now run another tab, bundle install. Let's get bigger. Okay. Remember, all the time you are adding something in the gem file, you have to run a bundle install in order to install the gem. Easy. So now we have to change the name of our application, because I'm going to show you is still in CSS format. There we go. This one is set in CSS. We want SAS, so we are going to copy and paste this. It's just a command to move to rename this file in this. let's do it. Paste your console, check it, and see it's changed. Now we have to import the bootstrap file in our application CSS sass file, and we don't need anymore this. We need something else in application JavaScript file. Let's project for bootstrap. So application JavaScript, and add after jQuery. Sorry, where we are. And copy. Okay, after this one require bootstrap sprocket. Okay, now we are ready, and we can just see what change, if something change. Also in the same time we can get more and change the application HTML file and put everything in a container, so we are going to see something cleaner, more organized. We have to stop the server, run again, wait, and okay, this one is correct, and wait for the server and refresh the page. We wanted 200. Let's wait. My laptop is a little bit slow. Perfect. It's a little bit nice. When the product, show, edit, and destroy. We can do better. We could use the simple form gem, and we can Ruby gem. We can you can search everything in the Ruby gem. Here we go. What you need, you can just write down here, check it, and see. Lots of downloads, so that's good. So going to use a simple form. We do it like before, so just copy and paste this in your gem file. Here we go. And run bundle install. Another bundle install. Okay. Now we want just generate and install simple form with bootstrap, so copy and paste this in the console, and now just copy this form here in your index view. Okay. To see the difference, I'm going to write here simple form. Okay, and our form. Now, in order to use it, we don't have user actually. We have product, but in order to use this variable, we have to create this variable in product controller, so he knows what it does. Product equals product new. Okay, now we can use it. Now we can use it in our index product, but in our model we have name, what you have description. If you don't remember, just take a look at the schema, and we can put split right. So we don't need the minimap. Okay. So we have a name, description. We need price. We need a color, and we need quantity. Here we go. Now we have name, description, price, color, and quantity. Take a look very quickly what you have. If everything is working, should not, probably because we have to restart the server. Yes, exactly. It's not working because we have to restart the server. So just wait. Don't need this one anymore. We can close application. Also the gem file. Okay. Take a look. Perfect. So now this what we got with the gem simple form, and this without. So it's really nice with simple form and easy to use it. So as you can see, because this one is a text data type, we can write more characters. This is the price we have now. We can have the number. You have to set a method so you could not go under 0. Here you can set the color and quantity. We can do it better. So just delete this one because we don't need it. Okay. For example, what we want to do, we can do it required true. So we'll have here this. It's nice. Or for example, you can have a placeholder and write your name. Let's see, write your name. You can have, for example, an int like be short. Be short. And also, for example, for the color, we can do something nice like a collection. And you can write, I don't know, like red, green, blue. And take a look for the color. There we go. Now we have red, green, blue, the color that we want. And for the price, we can set, for example, input HTML, and we can set, for example, a standard value like 10. Okay. So it's going to start from 10. Or you can do it something more like what we have. You can change the label name. So for example, like label nickname. Take a look and change the label. Yeah, something like that. Okay, we can do it also better to show the form. We can choose something more, and we can divide the screen actually in two sides equals. So we are going to use to build a row and a column 6, and the same here. Okay, so now we have a row with two columns with the same size, and we can copy and paste this, actually also everything, this here, and the look should be on the left. Perfect. So we can do it left 4. And right 4. And we can do it. See, nothing changed because I just commit. So you can see it's really nice. Here we can put another another form, but we can do something more, like for example, okay, we can put everything in a div. So with the panel class, using panel primary, with the heading, something happen here. Okay, and the panel heading, panel primary, panel left, left panel primary. Okay, doesn't matter. And we can put everything in a body, panel body. There we go. So now it's more organized. This one and this one. There we go. And this one. Okay, let's do it better. Let's take a look. Simple form. Really nice. We don't need for now stuff. Okay, name. Can change this one. Nice. Simple form. Left. Okay. And what else we can do? We can create another form doing the same. So we can use it panel no success, for example. Okay, and heading class panel success. Okay, and we can put another div, the body, body. Okay, what we can do now, we can just create another simple form, similar, not the same. For example, in this case, we want just quantity or no. Okay, oops. Just have name and price. Be nice like this. See what we got so far. Here we go. We have this panel here. Something happened. Yeah, we close the row here. No good. Okay, now it's perfectly close. Perfect. Okay, so for example, I can show you something more with the price here, and there's some nice things to do with the class. You can use it the input group, and write more stuff inside. This one with inside, and we want here something else. For example, you want show input group add-on dollar. So we'll have a dollar sign with the price. In this case, I'm going to use it because it's nice. The class bootstrap class form inline. Okay. And div class add-on. Okay. Let's take a look. What to get. That's nice. For example, we don't want name and price, so we just label false, and we can do the same for the price, so it would be nice. That's it. Okay, so we have everything online. Write your name and create a product. Okay, so for my first video is completed. I think. If you want to know more about this stuff, just comment it out and ask. And see you in the next tutorial.